Hey everyone, so excited to have you here. I wanted to just do a very fast demo around putting this group at the very forefront and at the top of your list so that when you come to the land that is Facebook land, which can be very distracting and sometimes overwhelming, you can just easily access all of the information that you need, come here for questions, support, and resources. So this is our main sort of hub support group for the next 14 days. And there are a couple of things here. The first could be to download the Groups app on your phone. That's going to eliminate having to actually even go to Facebook at all. And you can just access your groups. So it's a really great way to stay focused and not be so easily distracted. So that would be my first suggestion, is to download the Groups app on your phone. Just search for that in your app store and you'll be able to access this group there. The second thing I recommend doing is adding this one to your favorites and making sure that you have your notifications turned on. So you're going to do that just from desktop, clicking on notifications here at the top, and it's going to default here to highlights. You don't want just highlights, you want all posts. So I'm going to click that here at the top. That way you're going to get notifications, not just from me, but from everybody in the group to stay in tune and stay connected and just ensure that you don't miss anything. The second thing is going to be to pin this to shortcuts. And we're going to do that by just clicking more, these three little dots here. And I've already done that, so I'm just going to click unpin. So what you would do is click here and you're going to have this little option to pin to shortcuts. So we'll do that here. It's going to load. And then what happens is if you log on to Facebook, whether you're doing that from your phone or a computer, you're just going to click home here and you're going to see that that group page is right here at the top. So I can access that quickly. And it brings me right here. I'm not searching or wasting time trying to find the support page. So that's all I have for you guys. Make sure that you download the Groups app and turn your notifications on, pin this to shortcuts. I'm so excited to get started.